Magic Man is here, and we have chocolate.
I told you guys last week I was bringing chocolate.
And you got to make chocolate.
Yeah, in fact, this was so much fun. In fact, it's in Penn Square. If maybe when you go out, is it this weekend that they're doing the thing with David?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you go out there for that, stop by Good Girl Chocolate. That's what we're talking about.
Okay.
Let's see what we're talking about.
For this week's Where in the State, we're at Good Girl Chocolate in Penn Square Mall.
And behind these doors is where the magic happens. Let's go see. Come on.
Jeff, the magic behind these doors is unlike anything you've ever tasted. Good Girl Chocolate is gluten-free, dairy-free, and naturally sweetened.
But even with all that, Good Girl Chocolate will satisfy your chocolate craving.
And it's made with organic, low-glycemic sweeteners. Dr. T tells us why Good Girl Chocolate is made this way.
When I was 16 years old, I was put on my very first blood pressure pill. And by the time I was 30, I was on 3 and diagnosed as a pre-diabetic. I ended up losing over 80 pounds, changing my relationship with food, but I wanted something sweet to eat, and Good Girl Chocolate was born.
Dr. T wanted us to experience the magic, so we made some dark milk fudge with almonds, with some assistance from Dr. T, of course.
We had to because yours was extra large. It was like 1,000 pounds.
I call it king size, Jeff.
You know, Where in the State is such a tough gig. We had to sample some of Dr. T's work too.
We have 5 signature truffles, starting with our caramel cake, our cookie dough, our pecan fudge, our fudge cupcake, and my favorite, which is the almond praline. And the caramel cake was the very first one I created that we took to the 2019 Grammys.
Dr. T's truffles are scrum-diddly-umptious. Yeah, I said it, Jeff. Her chocolates have been in the last 2 years' Grammy swag bags and select Oscar nominee gift bags.
Well, Dr. T, with all that, what's left to say?
We are located in Penn Square Mall. We are Oklahoma owned, Oklahoma made, certified woman owned, ran by women. Our chocolate is delicious. We have samples every single day, so you can try it before you buy it.
Oh my gosh, this week's Where in the State, Good Girl Chocolate, so much fun.
Yeah, and you can feel good about eating it because technically prescribed by a doctor.
Dr. T is awesome, and you will love your experience. Put it on your I gotta go see this list, okay?
And then tell them you heard about it here on Where in the State.
This is
What do you think?
very good.
I brought you
Very
samples,
good.
right?
It almost
Yeah.
like a mix between milk chocolate and dark chocolate.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the fact that she did it where it's not necessarily healthy, but it's better for
No,
you.
no.
And
I'm going with healthy.
guilt-free. Yeah, exactly.
going with healthy.
Real quick, I had to do this. I feel like
Delicious.
one of your reporters now. So
Okay.
she's also going to launch in the Tulsa airport coming up this month.
good. Okay.
They're going to be in Whole Food markets in April. And of course, this is the one that is out today. This
Okay.
is the candied walnut brownie. This is the one that was in the Grammys goodie bag.
Okay.
Yeah. So
we will take
Awesome.
that.
cool stuff.
We'll
Hey,
take that
you
right
had
now.